Hi, Grandpa. Remember I said I would show you my boat? Well, it's actually a boat. I forgot. Come on. Top deck or bottom deck?
Top deck first.
Okay. Up here is our deck where we can look out. This is all came from my mind. And over here, we have the porch of the deck where you can stand and do anything. I already go inside.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm just on the roof of the house. We're on the roof of the house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, by the way, look, the couch isn't that sturdy right here, but
Let's go down below. Let's see what's going on down below.
okay. Right now, you're looking at the living room.
Whoa. Oh! Ouch! Ouch! A book just fell on my head. Okay.
Come on in. Behind it, we have a secret room.
Ooh.
Peanut!
Peanut's coming in.
Hi,
Okay, what other...
Peanut.
buddy.
Come look inside over here.
I'm trying. There's a dog licking my face.
My bedroom is over here.
Alright.
Oh no.
Let's see the rest of it.
We have a major crack.
It's okay. It'll get fixed. Let's just see the rest of this place. Are you okay?
A lot of weird stuff happening in this video.
Anyways, now there's a dog on my bed.
Oh, anyways, look at
Peanut.
this is my room back here.
Uh-huh.
It's a trap,
Look,
but it's actually
there is a dog up on the top deck now. He jumped from my back up to the top deck.
You're not big.
Is there anything else you need to show before the video ends? We're on...
Rabbit, go down. Go down, Rabbit. Come on, let's go see if the rabbit.
All right.
He's in here.
All right. Let's say bye to Grandpa.
Hey, Grandpa, there's one more thing I have to show you.
Okay.
It's the most special of all. It's inside the house.
Inside the house, what?
Come back for part 2.